India is rising, but the West is watching. From economic wars to cultural clashes, from diplomacy to defense, the battle between India and Western countries is heating up. But this isn't a war of bombs and guns, it's a war of influence, power, and survival. In this video, we'll explore the silent but powerful conflict between India and the Western world and what it means for our future. The story begins centuries ago. India, once one of the richest civilizations, was colonized by the British for nearly 200 years. The West looted India's wealth, suppressed its culture, and controlled its destiny. But after independence in 1947, India started rebuilding itself brick by brick. Yet even today, many Western powers look at India through the lens of the past as a country to influence, manipulate, or use for their strategic goals. In recent decades, India has become a force to be reckoned with, the world's fastest growing major economy, a nuclear power, the fourth most powerful military, home to 1 billion voices, and one of the youngest populations on earth. India is no longer just the back office of the world. It's now challenging global giants in AI, tech, space, and trade. And this rise hasn't gone unnoticed in Washington, London, or Brussels. India demands a seat at the global table, from the UN Security Council to trade talks. But the West has been hesitant. Why? Because a powerful, independent India could disrupt the Western-dominated order. The West pushes big tech, Google, Meta, Microsoft. But India is pushing back. With Digital India, data localization laws, and homegrown apps, India is asserting digital sovereignty. And the West, they're nervous. Because data is power. From international media coverage to controversial documentaries, the West often portrays India as chaotic, divided, or extremist. But many Indians see this as a form of soft power attack, a way to undermine India's global image. It's not Western allies who pick sides. India refuses to be a pawn. Whether it's the Russia-Ukraine war or Middle East conflicts, India chooses what's best for its people, not what's popular in Washington or Brussels. This independence has made the West both curious and cautious. A confident India, aligned with other emerging powers like China, Russia, and Brazil, could create a multipolar world ending centuries of Western dominance. That's why the West is investing in diplomacy, media narratives, and economic partnerships with the ambition, the culture, the vision. But to win this silent war, India must invest in education, infrastructure, innovation, and unity. This isn't just a battle with the West, it's a battle with ourselves. Can we rise above corruption, division, and bureaucracy? Can we lead the world not by force, but by example? The battle between India and the West isn't about destroying each other, it's about who defines the future. And in this silent war, only one question remains: will India lead, follow, or be left behind?